kick it. And good. Both legs, bud. Both legs. Both legs. Right leg and then left. And then left side. You can do it. Good. You got a shot too, Damien. Good job. High five. Good high five. Good job. Okay. Ready, set, go. Pass. That's how you do it. Good. Ready, set, go. Not just tap here. I want you to kick this hard, Dara. Okay? You got it. Almost there. Almost points. We're still practicing. Go. Up. Good. Very nice. Go. And good. All right. Now we do points. Right. You got a shot. That's all right. Here we go. Now for points. 100 points, you get to jump. Okay? Ready, set, go. Good. 5 cents again. Ready? 85. Go. Good. Not 87%. Ready, set, go. Good. 85%. Very nice. Go. Good. Shout, Damien. Do one more time, Damien. Shout for me when you kick. Okay, shout. And oh, 89% already. Good job, Damien. Ready, set, go. That's a 93%. Very nice. Ready, go. Good. That's much better. 95%. Ready, set, go. 93% as well. Go. And 5 seconds again. Ooh, 93%. Good job. Ready, set, go. 97%. Getting better, getting better. Go. Good, but you gotta kick this harder though. You're doing fast, but I want you to kick it harder. 96%. Go. Up. Faster, Carl. Good. 93%. Ready, set, go. Ooh, 95. Good job, sir. Go. 98. Good job. Go. Good. 99. Getting there better. Go. Good. 95. Faster, Caro. Not hard. I want fast. Fast. Ooh, good job. 96. 96. Getting better. Fast. Go. 90. I'll give you 100% for that. 100%. Ready, set, go. Up. No shouting? 95. Yes, you get the jump. Ready, set, go. 100%. Good job. Ready, set, go. Good. 99. Getting better. Go. Up. Good. 90%. Ready, set, go. 100. Now you get to jump. Ready, set, go. Good. Don't jump yet, baby. I want you to kick a little bit first, okay? And? Good job, sir. Very nice. You're doing better. Stand up, Damien. Don't fall, please. You got 98. Good. Damien, put the belt over there for a second, okay? I know we usually put the tie back, but right now I want to focus on the kicks. Good job. Here we go. Ready, set, go. Good. 95. Getting better. Tap it. Good. 93. Ready, set, go. Good. 92. Ready, set, go. 99. Almost getting there. Ready, set, go. Good. 95. Getting better. Go. 90%. Go. Up. 95. Good job. Go. 1. That's it. 100%. Good job, Damien. You get the jump now. Ready, set, go. Good. 97. Getting better. Go. 99. That's the one. Go. 98. Good job. Gonna jump. And right here. Good. 100%. Almost. Everyone to the box again. Go. No. You too. Spider-Man. Spider-Man crawl. Not yet. Right now it's just speed. Okay? Because who can show me how to do Spider-Man? What's the difference, okay, between the two, Spider-Man and army crawl? Show me Dara, Spider-Man. Go. Okay, Damien? Luis, show me. Go. That's army crawl, but that's true. That's the difference, right? Try Spider-Man now. Go. There it is. You're going to go all over there, okay? Everyone ready? Go back to the example what it means. Yes.
That means to be nice.
To be nice. That's a good way. Yeah, to be nice. When you say, when you bow, that show me that you're respectful?
Yes, sir.
Right? That's good. What else does that do? Yes.
To be patient.
To be patient. Good. What do they mean? What do you think? Give me an example. You're respectful. So what did they say? What did that say? On your knees, Carl. Carl, give me an example.
To
When I tell you to do something, what are you going to say to me? Luis, if I say you to do 3 steps forward, what do you say to me? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. When you say sir or you say ma'am, that's showing to be
Respectful.
respectful. Right? So in other words, you're going to say to your teacher, Miss. If you have a woman who's a teacher, you say yes ma'am or yes miss. If you have a person who's a guy who's a teacher, you say what?
Yes,
Yes?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Right. You do it at school, you do police officer, so anyone. You say yes sir, yes ma'am, or yes miss. Right?
Yes,
Those
sir.
young women don't say yes ma'am. They make them feel old. You say yes miss. Right? Right. So what is it? What do you do at home to show respect? Being respectful. Yes.
To do what my mom says.
Yeah? That's also being very respectful. What else?
To clean up the room.
Yeah, that's showing respect. What do you think, Damien? What else do you think? Being good? Being good and also being very respectful. Very good. Good answer. I like that answer. What do you, Carla? What do you think?
To listen.
Yes. Very good. To listen is also being very respectful. Yes.
To help your mom vacuum the
You
house.
helping mom vacuum? Wow.
And I even help my mom wash the dishes.
Woo!
Wow.
You do that, Luis?
Yes, sir.
Really? When? On Sundays?
Every day.
Every day. I gotta ask your mom that. Really? What about you, Damien? What do you do at home to show respect?
Clean my room.
Oh! Does he clean his room? Does he say? If he says so.
I guess so.
He's on recording. There's a recording there.
We'll show mommy.
I clean my room. I show him the room. Ah, that's not clean. Do you clean your room?
Just a little.
Huh?
Just a little.
Just a little.
Honesty is good, right? Not telling lies. That's also being respectful. Don't say lies, right? To tell the truth.